Hello everyone, it's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today we are going to learn how to count on to add. What do we do when we want to count on to add? Well, first we look at our equation. The first equation is 5 plus 4. Let's take a look at the first addend. That's the number 5. We start with that and we mark our number line at the number 5, just like this with a dot. Then we look at the second addend. That's the number 4. And we count on 4 to add. Let's do that now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Where did we land? That's right. We landed at the number 9. So we circle the number 9 and write it into the equation. So now we know 5 plus 4 equals 9. Let's try another one. This equation is 2 plus 6. What do we do? Well, we start with the first addend. That's the number 2. Let's mark the number line at the number 2. Perfect. Then we count on the second addend. That's the number 6. Let's count on 6 to add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where did we land? We landed on the number 8. Great job. Now we write 8 in our equation, and we did it. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Okay, here's another problem. This one is 3 plus 2. What do we do when we want to count on to add? Hey, you got it. We start with the first addend. That's the number 3. And we mark the number line at the number 3. Then we look at the second addend. That's the number 2. And we count on 2 to add. Let's do that now. 1, 2. Where did we land? You got it. We landed on the number 5. So we write that in the equation. 3 plus 2 equals 5. You're getting it. Okay, here's another problem. What do we do? Well, we look at the problem. 6 plus 1. Then we start with the first addend. That's the number 6. So we mark our number line to match that, 6. Then we look at the second addend. That's the number 1. And we count on 1. Just like that. Where did we land? We landed on the number 7. So now we write the number 7 in the equation, and we have our answer. 6 plus 1 equals 7. Let's try another. This equation is 7 plus 3. What do we do when we need to count on to add? You got it. We start with the first addend. That's the number 7. And we make a dot on the number line at the number 7. Now we look at the second addend. That's the number 3. Now let's count on 3 to add. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Where did we land? You got it. We landed on the number 10. So circle the number 10 and then write the number 10 in the equation. Just like that. So now we know 7 plus 3 equals 10. You're doing great with this. Let's do another. Our next equation is 4 plus 4. What do we do first? Yes, we look at the first addend. It's the number 4. So we mark our number line at the number 4. Then, you got it, we look at the second addend. And yes, we count on 4. Let's do that now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Where did we land? Yes, we landed on the number 8. Then we write the number 8 into the equation. You did it. 4 plus 4 equals 8. You are really doing a great job with counting on to add. Now, I want you to think. How do you count on to add? First, we look at the equation. Then we mark the number line at the first addend. That's the number 4. Then we count on the number of the second addend. That's 3 for this problem. Next, we circle where we land. That's the number 7. And finally, we write that number into the equation. Okay, now it's your turn. I want you to think. You know how to count on to add. Tell a friend all about how you can count on to add. Tell your mom and dad and teacher, how do you count on to add? You did a wonderful job with this lesson today, and I hope to see you again very soon.